Good afternoon, dear students. Today I am going to discuss about the diseases. What are the diseases? Actually, if you see the meaning of disease, that is called what? Disturbed ease. In another way, you can say this is called feeling uncomfortable, uneasy. This is called diseases. It may be in any part of your body, like suppose that you are feeling stomach in digestive system. It may be like that pain in muscles. So you can say feeling uncomfortable, feeling uneasy, uh, that is called disease. If you can take example of one more example, suppose that you are suffering from a common cold. So what you feel that always uncomfortable, running nose, feeling tired, etc. So collectively you can say you are suffering from a disease. This is different from the health. If you go with term health, health include what? It means physically, mentally and socially. But here disease we are discussing about feeling uncomfortable inside the body. Disease is related to one person and health is related to person as well as that depends to other around the environment that you can see. Okay, come to next topic. Next, now we will discuss about the symptoms and sign. Symptoms indicates changes in body like headache, pain in stomach, pain in muscles. But sign indicate about more information and identification of presence of a particular disease. Sign includes like you can take example of laboratory test. Suppose that you are suffering from a disease in which you are feeling high fever. You are taking proper medicine, but after 3-4 days, what? Fever remain constant. You went to doctor again. So doctor writes some test like blood test. So here in starting fever, tiredness, these are the symptoms for a disease. But when you uh, give your blood sample and if there is a presence of any pathogen or any other that you can say disease causing microbes that inform about the presence of a particular disease. There are big difference between symptoms and disease. Now we will discuss about the types of diseases. Generally, we know two types: acute and chronic diseases. Acute diseases, you can say that some diseases which last for only very short periods, like few days, they are called acute disease. Example, common cold. These are not more severe, but chronic diseases, those diseases that can last for a long time, even as much as a lifetime. Such disease called chronic disease. I'm give one important example: elephantiasis. Elephantiasis is a disease that is caused by a pathogen Wucheria. In this disease, the leg of infected person becomes swelled, and that appears like a leg of elephant. That's why this is called elephantiasis disease, and this is a long-term disease, long time disease. Thank you. I hope you are understanding today's topic.